Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and fix location restrictions on Walmart. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, let's go ahead open up our Walmart. Once I open up our Walmart app, this is basically how it's gonna look like in the homepage, right? Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead, tap on our cart option given above, and once we do that, if you tap on this continue to check out option with the products that we have added, and then here we will add all of the information. We will add our delivery instructions, we will add our location, and once we are done saving our card as well, we have entered our card number. We have done everything including our location, and once we are done, once there is a final step where we are supposed to confirm our order, then the notification Walmart shows is that the location is the restrictions of your location. So there could be many reasons, and the first could be that your location for Walmart to deliver it to door might be out of reach. It might be a very rural area where it can't process for you to give a door-to-door delivery. So the optional option that you can have for you is the nearby location which does not have that of difficulty for you to deliver other stuff as well. You can simply put the location instead of your door-to-door one from Walmart. And the other thing, of course, delivering your stuff from Walmart requires a lot of documentations work, which also asks for all of the information, and if one way or another, if the informations are also not aligning with your location, then that could be one of the reasons for Walmart that they must not have added that particular location in their delivery location somehow. So if that's the case, obviously you won't be able to get you will simply get the restrictions in your location. It's better for you to add your location that will be nearby and accessed by another delivery platform as well. So that is the solution for you to do, and unfortunately this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.